Good morning, class. Today, we are going to explore how to use articles with uncountable nouns. It's an important topic in grammar as articles help us determine the specificity or generality of nouns. To make our learning experience more engaging, we'll be using animated conversations as examples. Let's begin. Can anyone remind me what articles are?
Articles are small words used before nouns to indicate whether we are talking about specific or general things.
Excellent. You're absolutely right. Today, we will focus on using articles with uncountable nouns. Let's jump into our animated conversations to understand this better. Here we have Emma and Alex discussing their preferences for food. Listen carefully to their conversation.
I love eating chocolate. It's so delicious.
I don't like chocolate. I prefer eating fruit instead.
Based on their conversation, can anyone identify how they used articles with uncountable nouns?
Emma said eating chocolate and Alex said eating fruit.
Great job. Emma used the uncountable noun chocolate without an article, while Alex used the uncountable noun fruit also without an article. When talking about uncountable nouns in general or as a concept, we often omit the article. Now, let's listen to Lily and Ben discussing their hobbies.
I enjoy playing the piano. It helps me relax.
I don't have any musical talent, but I like listening to music.
How did Lily and Ben use articles with uncountable nouns in their conversation?
Lily said playing the piano, and Ben said listening to music.
Well done. Lily used the uncountable noun piano with the definite article the, as she referred to a specific musical instrument. Ben used the uncountable noun music without an article because he was talking about music in general. Let's have a question-answer session to reinforce our understanding of using articles with uncountable nouns. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Question 1. Do we use articles with uncountable nouns when talking about them in general?
No, we usually omit the articles when talking about uncountable nouns in general.
Correct. When discussing uncountable nouns in a general sense, we usually omit the articles. Question 2. What article would you use with an uncountable noun when you want to specify or refer to a particular instance?
We use a definite article with uncountable nouns to refer to a specific instance or when there is a clear context.
Excellent. The definite article that is used with uncountable nouns when we want to specify or refer to a particular instance. Question 3. Can you think of an uncountable noun that is typically used with the indefinite article a/n?
Sorry, uncountable nouns don't usually take the indefinite articles a or n.
Great response. Uncountable nouns do not typically take the indefinite articles a or n because they refer to something that cannot be counted individually. When using articles with uncountable nouns, we usually omit the articles when talking about them in a general sense. However, we use the definite article the when we want to refer to a specific instance or when there is a clear context. Uncountable nouns do not typically take the indefinite articles a or n. That concludes our lesson on using articles with uncountable nouns. I hope you enjoyed our animated conversations and found them helpful in understanding this aspect of grammar. Remember, practice is key to mastering the use of articles with uncountable nouns.